Hi guys, welcome to Let's Share with Jam and welcome to another episode or day 2 of our devotionals called Closer to God Each Day by Joyce Meyer. The title of today's devotional is Set Your Mind and Keep It Set. Keep it set. Tama nga naman. Title pa lang, meron na akong natututunan. Di ba? Minsan kasi we set our minds and then we get distracted. But anyway, set your mind and keep it set. Sige, let's start. We can have a right and wrong mindsets. The right ones benefit us. The wrong ones hurt us and hinder our progress. With God's help, we can set our minds in the right direction. Again, I want to emphasize with God's help, we can set our minds sa right direction. Let's continue. Some people see life negatively because they have experienced unhappy circumstances all their lives and can't imagine anything better. Ikaw ba to? Ikaw ba yung nakakaranas nito? There are so many things in our lives, di ba, na nararanasan natin na unhappy. Mga bagay na traumatic, yung mga bagay na hindi natin makalimutan, yung mga painful things, negative things, disappointments, you name it. Nandyan yan, na-experience natin yan. So, maraming tao daw, negative yung naiisip because ito yung lagi natin na-experience or ito yung lagi nating na-highlight sa buhay natin. Let's continue. Then, there are some people who see everything as negative simply because their personality leans in that direction. Oh, I know this. Merong mga tao na pessimistic, 'di ba? Ang ibig sabihin nun, yung state of mind nila always expects the worst. Meron ako mga kakilala na ganyan na parang laging nanggahanda sa worst or sa mga bagay na negative. So, may mga tao daw na ang personality nila ganito, pessimist. Yan ang tawag dyan. So sabi dito, whatever its cause, kahit ano pa yung cause niya, a negative outlook leaves a person miserable and unlikely to grow spiritually. Again, sabi dyan, if negative yung outlook mo sa buhay, negative lagi yung naiisip mo, it leaves you miserable. It leaves you stagnant. If nag-iisip ka, bakit ba ang miserable ng buhay ko? Bakit ba parang walang growth sa buhay ko? Maybe ito yon. Maybe ito na yung sinasabi ngayon. Negative yung outlook natin sa buhay. Sabi dito, to enjoy God's good plan for us, we need to be in agreement with Him. And He definitely is not negative. Parang ganito lang yan eh. Para lang din sinasabi sa atin, may enjoy mo lang yung plano ng Lord sa'yo. If naniniwala ka sa plano ng Lord sa'yo. If sinabi sa Bible na, ask and you will receive. And naniniwala ka na if you ask, you will receive. You are hopeful. You are positive. But, if hindi ka naniniwala dun sa sinabi ng Lord na yun, pag sinabi ng Lord, ask and you will receive, and then you asked, and then you didn't receive, hindi mo nakuha agad yung sagot dun sa hiningi mo. Sasabihin mo na, ay, hindi naman totoo yan eh. Hindi naman totoo yung sinabi ng Lord sa Bible eh. Kasi ginawa ko na pero hindi naman siya nangyari. Ganito yung nangyayari. Bakit tayo miserable? With God's help and your hard work and determination, sabi dito, God's help plus hard work plus determination, you can break yung negative mindsets natin and yung old habits natin that are trying to keep you far from God, that are trying to keep you far from the promises of God. 'Di ba? So sinasabi dito na meron tayong effort na gagawin which is hard work and determination. Efforts 'yan. Meron kang gagawin. Sabi dito, the devil does not want you to break through because he knows that if you do, you will enjoy your life and be a blessing, not just sa buhay mo, but sabi dito, be a blessing to others. Sabi dyan, ayaw ni Satan na makuha mo yung blessing mo. Ayaw ni Satan na maging positive ka. Ayaw ni Satan na magkaroon ka ng faith, maniwala ka sa nakasulat sa Bible. Ayaw ni Satan na maging determinado ka. Gusto ni Satan ma-distract ka para wala kang growth, maging miserable ang buhay mo. Hindi mo may enjoy yung life. Sabi dito, enjoy the life and the blessing that you have. and the blessing na binigay na sa'yo ng Lord. Let's continue. Your life will change, which will cause many other lives to change. If you set your mind in the right direction, if you set your mind, gusto kong ulitin, if you set your mind in the right direction, the right thinking, it is going to bring you closer to God and allow you to fulfill your God ordained destiny. And you know what? Yung God ordained destiny, I'm 100% sure it will make your life happier, abundant. It will make your life peaceful. Sabi dito, expect good things to happen to you and through you. Praise God. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that you learned something today. I hope that you set your mind to the right direction, and that direction is dun sa kung ano lang yung gusto ng Lord. Dun sa direction na tama, positive, and hopeful sa Lord. Dun sa direction na tama, positive, and hopeful through God. Thank you guys again for listening and see you on the next Devo. Bye!